Namaskara ellarige. Good evening. So we are going to start the mental ability. So these are demo classes. Okay. So you can take the demo classes for 15 days, and to take the admission for Azurite classes, you have to call on the given number. So the first chapter, that is for the mental ability, is figure matching. So in the figure matching, so what we have to do? We have to find the similar figure. So what is the meaning of figure matching? Figure matching means similar figure. What? Similar figure. So we need to find the similar figure from the given option. Okay. So if you take a figure, now let us take a figure. So this is one of the figure. So what will be the exactly that is similar? So it should be what? Exact. So what will be the exact figure of this? The same thing, right? So this will be the exact figure. So there is no change. Everything is the same, right? So this is the meaning of figure matching or similar figure. They can ask anything, right? They can ask either as figure matching or as similar figure, right? So we need to find the similar figure from the given option. So let us know more about it. Okay. So here is the first figure. So we need to find the similarities here or the differences, right? So what is not similar, we need to find. So here if you see the figure A and figure B is given. So what are the differences, can you see? Yes, here see this color is changed here and here, right? So the color is changed. This is different. And what about next? This bud. Can you see this flower? This is different here. And what is the next difference? Oh, something is written here, right? So hello. Here it is written as hello, but there is nothing here. So that is the difference. So you need to understand like this and see what is the change. Then it will not be same. So you have to eliminate that figure, right? So that is how you have to find the similar figure, by eliminating the other figures. Understood? So here next, is there any difference? Any more difference? Can you see? Okay. So one more difference is there. Here there is the different color. It is yellow, but here it is blue. So this is also one of the difference. So you need to find like this. So there are so many differences. Can you see some more here? There is a mountain of what? Grass, right? But here there is nothing. So this is one of the difference. And then here, if you see, there is a stone, right? Small stone, but here there is none. Okay. So one more heap is there, heap of what? Grass. So but here there is no heap. Like this you need to find the differences, and then what you have to do? You have to identify the similar figure that is exactly same. Understood? What is the similar meaning? Exactly same. It should not be rotated or anything. It should be exactly same as the given figure, right? So can you find the next figure differences? Yes, come on. So let me know what are the differences in the next figure. Okay, so let us go to the next figure. Can anyone tell what is the difference here? Yes.
Sir, the red dot.
Yes, that is the sun, right? So here it is sun, but here there is no sun. Okay, and next, what is the difference?
Road.
There is what? So in the cloud cow. Okay, one by one. Someone, I will.
There is blue.
Okay, silence. First silence. One student should tell. Okay, one student. So there is a cloud. Okay, there is no cloud. Okay, and then here there is a green line. Yes, there is a green line, but here it is white. Right?
The
Yes. This is purple flower, right? There is here white flower, and one more here purple tree. Yes, purple tree, but here it is different, right? So
Sir,
this
in the
is,
A picture, there is
yes,
an
this
extra
is how you
flower,
have to
yellow
find the
flower.
differences. So right, it is very interesting, isn't it? Can you find the differences? It's very interesting. Good. So now let us see the next
Sir,
figure
in
then.
the A picture, there is too many roses. And in the B picture, rose is missing.
No such thing.
Everyone
Okay,
are
there are
talking a
these
lot,
many
so
similarities. Okay, understood. Good. Okay, so this is how you have to find the what differences in the given figures. Can you find the next one? Yes, come on, let us go to the next.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Can you
yes.
go roll number wise?
No, we will practice roll number wise next, so just we will discuss here. Okay, so let me know what
Okay,
is the difference here. Yes,
sir, the birds are very little.
yes, there is no bird here, right? One difference.
And there's
Next,
four friends. Sir, sun.
sun. Yes, there is sun here, but there is no
Sir,
sun here.
the
Okay,
boy,
next.
the boy who is doing exercise doesn't have the pants. The pant color is changed.
Yes, the pant color is changed here, right? So here it is black, but here it is little bit below.
The butterfly.
Yes,
Sir,
the
butterfly.
butterfly. Very good, beta. Very good. The
Sir, there's
butterfly
no
is different.
flower. Sir, there's
And
no
here
flower.
the tree color is
Sir,
different, right?
that pink
Here the
flower.
tree color is different. So can you
Sir,
see
that
this
the
is
pink
yellow?
flower.
Very good. Okay, okay, good.
The
So this is
below.
how you have to find the differences. Can you find the differences now?
Sir, the below.
Okay, okay, good. So there are some more differences.
Sir,
These
the
are the
pink,
differences, okay? And one more here. The shoe color,
pink,
little bit different, right?
pink
The
flower.
one shoe is different. Understood? Can you
Sir,
find the differences now?
yes, sir.
Okay, okay, good.
Can we go on another note?
Okay. So this is how you have to find the differences in the given figure, right? This is very simple topic. What you have to do, but we have to keenly observe, not miss anything. Okay, it is very simple, but you make mistakes in simple things only. You just consider, yes, this is same. You tick it, and it will be wrong, right? So that should not happen. You know what you should do? You should clearly observe one by one. Okay, so you have to observe more, right? So this is about figure matching, that is similar figures. So what do we have to find? We have to find the exact figure which matches the problem figure, right? We have to find the exact same figure. So there are two little childrens. Are they similar? This child is looking to this and this child is looking to this, right? But and the hairs are little outward and right, so there are no similar, but can you see there are twins, right? So this is how you have to find it. Now in figure matching, what will be given? This type of figure will be given, right? So this is the problem figure. What is this? This is the problem figure, the or the question figure, and there will be one line and there will be options. How many options? Four options, A B C D, right? There will be four options. We need to find the exactly same figure, right? So there will be one problem figure and there will be four options given to you. Okay, so here in the previous examples, what did we do? We found the differences. The same thing we have to apply here and find what is the same figure. Okay, so this activity helps us to eliminate. What we have to do? Eliminate the answers which is not there possible. Okay, so here in the given question, here is the problem figure, right? So now in ABCD, so we have to see which will be the exact figure. So will it be A? No, there is circle and there is rhombus, so it is not possible. Next, there are two triangles inside, so this is also not possible. B, yes. Can it be C? Yes. Can you see everything? You have to see all the elements. Okay, so none of the elements should be changed, so everything is same. So this line from the top and from the left side, right side, bottom, everything is same. So answer will be option C. And in option D there is what? It is not possible. Okay, this is a pentagon, so it is not similar. Understood? So this is how you have to find the what? Similar figure, that is figure matching. Understood? So let us go to the next question now. Here is the question. Okay, so tell me what will be the answer here. Yes, come on.
Sir, third one, C.
Yes,
C,
so
D.
option C is same. Yes, isn't it?
Sir, C.
Yes,
C.
option C is the same figure. Okay, very good. Okay, good. So you have to see all the elements. The top arrow, that is the top line, then there is a circle, then there is a arrow, connecting arrow, then there is a oval shape, then there is a triangle. Okay, listen, listen. Okay, 1 minute, everyone keep silence. Okay, we are discussing first, right? There should not be noise. Someone if talks, then fine. When I ask you the question, you should speak, otherwise you should keep silence. Understood? Switch off your mic. So this should not happen again. Okay, I should not tell this again. Understood? Fine. So here, if you see what is there, there are 4 options given for this problem figure. So the option C is exactly same. But if you take A, what is the difference? Can anyone tell? Yes,
Sir,
there is a
sir,
plus
there is
sign inside,
plus
right?
sign.
Yes, there is a
Sir,
plus sign inside. So it
there
is
is
not
line.
possible. Next option B, what is different?
There are two lines inside the circle, and
Okay, okay.
that's it.
Here it has come little bit below, right? It is what intersecting the oval shape. What it is doing? It is intersecting. That is bisecting, or it is inside the circle. Okay, so it is not the answer. Okay, so next, if you see, the third option is exactly the same. And what
Sir, I
about D?
can't.
Why the D is not the answer? Why?
Sir,
There is
because
one
there are
more
two
arrow
lines.
above, right? There is one more
Sir,
arrow above. So that is going up. So that is why it is not the answer. Got it? So this is how you
yes,
have to
sir.
find the answers. Okay. So exactly same figure is option C. Now let us go to the next example. Okay. So here, this is the second question. So what will be the answer? Can anyone tell?
Sir, D, D.
Is it D? Yes.
Sir,
Yes, correct.
D.
Okay. So option D
Sir,
is
D, sir.
correct.
Sir,
Good.
option Sir, D.
Okay. Yes,
D.
option D is correct. Good. Okay, let us see. Why not A now? Why? There is no one more line of, it is not extended, right? There is no more line.
There
So
is
this
not
is not
one line
possible. Now what
at the
about B?
side.
This side and this side. Left and right, there are no lines. Okay. And in
There are
C,
no lines.
there is missing line here, right? There is no line, that is it is
Missing
missing,
line
so option
inside
C will
the.
also not possible. So option D is exactly the same, right? So it is correct answer is option D. So switch
Excuse
off the
me,
mic, everyone
sir.
switch off the mic. Okay, everyone switch off the mic. So option D is the same figure. Okay, so D will be the answer. Got it? Okay, so this is how you have to find the answer. Okay, so let us go to the next example now. So here, what we have to do, we have to see each element. There are 4 elements and one circle, and there are what, 2 lines, right? That is 2 diameters in a plus symbol. Okay, so the same thing should be there. This is the first element. Okay, and this is the second element, this is the third element, and this is the fourth element. So you have to see and observe each element. Okay, so all of them should be similar. Okay, so if you see the A, will it be possible? Is A is the answer? No. If you see the second element, it is different, so this is not the answer. Okay, now let us go to the next. Is it B answer? No. So if you see the third element, it is different. Okay, the third element is different. And what about C? Is it the answer? Yes, yes, the C will be exactly same, so answer will be option C. Now what about D? Is it D answer? No, right? So here it has come circle, but here in the first there is what, star. So that is not the answer. So this is how you have to see one by one and identify which is exactly the same. So if there are more elements, you have to see one by one and identify which is not possible and eliminate it. Okay. So this is how you have to identify and do the questions. Okay, now let us go to the next. So here, what will be the answer? Can anyone tell? Yes, take your time. Okay, take your time. Observe and then tell.
is B.
Is it B?
Sir, B. Option B.
Yes, option B is correct. Yes, option B is correct. Okay, so here in A, is it the answer? No. Why? There is no line, that is not extended. Okay, so B is exactly the same. And what about C? This is reversed, so the bottom part is reversed, so not possible. And D, this also is extended, this one is also extended, that is little bit more. Okay, so that is why this will not be answer, that is D will not be the answer. So answer option is option B. Yes, so option B is correct. Now let us go to the next example. So what will be the answer here? Yes,
Sir, A.
check, observe and check. Okay, so is
Sir,
it A
A.
or
Sir,
C
A.
or C or D?
Sir, A.
Yes, option A is correct. Okay, so option
Sir,
A
I
is
told
correct. Good,
you.
beta. So
Sir.
now let us see. Okay, here everything is same. So in the star, the top part, that is the first part, one line, then next there are three lines, then next there are three dots and one line below it. Okay, and then in the bottom part there is one line. Okay, so it is same. What is now missing in B? Yes, there is no line here, that is vertical line. Okay, so there is no line in B. And what about C? There is one dot missing, so there are only two dots. Okay, and what about D? Yes, there is one extra line here, right? So in B, D, there is extra line, so this is not possible. Understood? So this is how you have to find and eliminate them. Okay, so it is very simple, isn't it? Yes, is it simple or not?
Yes, sir.
It is very simple.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, very good. So now should we go to the next question?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, so the next question. So who will tell the answer? Come on, tell me. There are many elements. Okay, you have to observe one by one and see the answer. Okay, don't be hurry. Understood? Don't be hurry. See each of the element and identify the answer. Is it B?
Option B. Sir, option B.
Yes, option B is correct. Yes, good, good, good. Everyone silent. Okay, so option B is correct. Understood? So option B is correct. Okay, so here we have to see one by one. So let us take one by one and observe them. Okay, so here in C figure, what is missing? The circle, that is shaded circle is missing here, so that is not possible. And what about next? So C is gone. Now see the D, what is missing? There is one arrow missing here, right? So it is not complete. One side there is the arrow, then the other side it is not there. So option D is not possible. Okay, so that is why it is not the answer. Now let us go to the next figure. Then will it be A? Why it is not A? Can anyone tell? If you see here in the bottom, there is no double-sided arrow, right? So that is why the answer will not be A. So answer will be option B, right? So option B will be the answer. So what we have to do? We have to see each one by one. Why? There are so many elements. Can you see? There is a circle, shaded circle, and there is a double-sided arrow. Then there is one-sided arrow. Then there is on this side. There are so many elements. We have to see one by one. Understood? And then identify which is the answer by eliminating the other A, B, C, D. From that, eliminate which is not possible and then identify which is possible. Understood? Can anyone do? Can everyone do like this? Yes, will you do like this?
Yes, sir.
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ? Okay, easy ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ? Okay, very good. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good beta.
1 minute, sir.
Okay, so here, so we studied about what? Figure matching, that is finding the exact figure. So option here B is correct. So it is the same figure, right? So what did we study till now? We studied about figure matching. So what we have to do? We have to find the same figure or similar figure, right? So we have to identify. So for that, what are the things we have to consider? We have to consider the rotation. If any figure is rotated or anything, we have to eliminate that, right? And next, we have to see number of elements, that is different kind of figures or diagrams or anything, right? So if it is changed or anything, we have to eliminate that, right? Number of elements. And after that, we have to see the cuts in elements. So if this is joined hand, now if there is something like gap or anything cut, then that will not be the answer, right? So we have to eliminate like that. Now again, we have to see the parallel lines, right, and vertical lines. So there are so many possibilities they can ask the question, right? So you have to consider them all. Okay, so one more thing is missing geometrical figures. If any figure is not there, we have to eliminate that option. Okay, so that is how we have to do and solve this section of mental ability, right? So is it easy? Yes, it is very simple, right? Just we have to practice more, and then you will be easily able to solve all the given questions. So one more thing is incomplete drawing. If anything is not joined or anything, so that also we have to eliminate. Okay, so it is very simple, right? Isn't it? So this is how you have to do. Okay, so how was the class, everyone? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತಾ? ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, interesting ಇತ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
This video will be available in YouTube. Okay, everyone understood the topic? Yes, was it interesting? We always will teach with the concept. Okay, so we will always teach the concept in very interesting manner. Okay, so taking different live examples and different images, so the children's, or that is how everyone will be interested. So join our class. For joining the class, you can call on the given below numbers. Okay, for these are demo classes, right? These are demo classes, everyone can join. So just you have to call us on the given number, and everyone can take the chance of joining and taking these classes. So thank you, everyone.